the great hymns of our faith, Blessed Assurance. In this time of uncertainty, isn't assurance what we're looking for? This hymn was written by Fanny J. Crosby, who was born over 200 years ago, and her words today really ring true for us. She was blinded in infancy due to someone else's mistake, and she didn't start writing hymns till she was 41, but when she got started, what a gift she gave to the world. Blessed assurance, Jesus is mine. Oh, what a foretaste of glory divine, heir of salvation, purchase of God, born of His Spirit, washed in His blood. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song, praising my Savior all the day long. Blessings, Providence Church. We love you.